How to sign out of iCloud and reset iPhone to factory settings. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you planning to sell or give away your iPhone? Then this video is just for you, because today I'll show you step by step how to sign out of iCloud and reset your iPhone to factory settings. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you won't miss new iPhone tips. Step 1. Sign out of iCloud. To reset your iPhone, you first need to sign out of your Apple ID. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then scroll all the way down and tap Sign Out. If your iPhone is running iOS 26 or later, the system will immediately suggest, erase this iPhone, right after signing out. But in this video, we'll use a more universal method that works on all iOS versions. So here, I choose Sign Out without erasing data. On earlier iOS versions, your iPhone will simply ask for your Apple ID password, so just enter it. Next, the iPhone will ask if you want to keep contacts, Safari data, health info, or keychain on the device. If you enable those switches, the data will remain on your iPhone. But since we are preparing for a full factory reset, leave all switches off. Tap Sign Out, confirm again, and after that, all iCloud synced data will be removed from your iPhone. Step 2. Factory Reset. Now you can reset your iPhone. Go to Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Press Continue, then enter your device passcode, the same code you used to unlock your iPhone. The iPhone will ask once more if you are sure you want to erase everything. Confirm, and the reset process will begin. Now the iPhone will erase all your data. This may take a few minutes. Step 3. After reset. Once it's done, you'll see the Hello screen in different languages. This means your iPhone has been fully reset to factory settings. Now it's clean and ready to be set up as new or passed on to another owner. That's it. This is how you can sign out of iCloud and reset your iPhone to factory settings. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Good luck and bye.